To provide accurate and systematic ocean monitoring services, scientists and engineers have to adhere to standards in each value chain step. For example, the temporal and space scales to be solved, the data collection, modeling techniques, and data assimilation, the model validation and verification. There are various types of ocean modeling, each with their own specific methods. For example, ocean circulation, sea level, storm surges, waves, and biogeochemistry models are not solved with the same inputs, equations, and validation processes. If you want to learn more, you can have a look at our booklet and join our online training workshop on operational oceanography in June 2021.